Here's Minnie and her babies. I'm so proud of her. Minnie, I'm so proud of you. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Then I have this little teepee thing all around her. And I think she likes it. And then there's like lights all around her. And she looks super spoiled right now. And there's like lights over there. And I rearranged my room. There's what Minnie looks like. Super spoiled. Just look at her. Minnie. Aww. You and your little babies. Oh, there they are. Here's one space. Minnie doesn't like it when I hold them, but there's what it looks like. Okay, Minnie, it's okay. I'm not gonna harass your babies. Yeah, this is me. Okay, bye. Bye, Min.